guys, and welcome to my channel. Oh my god, I didn't think I was ever going to get to shoot this video. We all know what you're here for, so I'm going to get straight to it. The Jeffree Star Cosmetics Holiday 2019 mystery box is here. This is the Deluxe. It's the only one I got because I wasn't going to waste time putting more than one thing in a cart. Wasn't that an adventure? Thanksgiving morning, I can't even get into what I was in the middle of doing. Not that. When it was time to order this thing. Anyway, this is my very first Jeffree Star mystery box. I had the big Halloween one in my cart, and got the thank you for your order white screen like people got with this one, but then never got an email. Didn't even realize till the next day that I'd never gotten an email, so I never got that box. Sorry. This tape is giving me heck. Where else is it taped? Where is it taped and it won't let go? Alright, so the tape is undone. I think at this point it's just operator error. Huh, this is funny. It finally gets here. And so I ordered this Thanksgiving Day. Friday rolled around and I thought once again it wasn't going to ship because it got to be after 5 o'clock Pacific time, and I still had not gotten notification. It's funny, I did get notification that day that what the plans were for shipping, and so I thought for sure it wouldn't ship till later in the week. But then I think at like 2 o'clock in the morning, which would be midnight Pacific time, I got an email saying that it has shipped. And that was Friday, and this is Monday, and it's here. Okay, finally got this thing on tape. I'm gonna open it up. Alright. What is this on the very top? It's a piece of clothing. Oh, it looks like a hoodie. It is a black Jeffree Star Cosmetics hoodie. I'm so excited about this. It is with purple Jeffree Star. It's got the purple stars on the sleeve. Oh my gosh. And on the back, oh wow, on the back it says iconic. Wow. Okay, I don't have one of these. I do have a black Shane Dawson hoodie with the pig, but I do not have one of these. That's exciting. Okay, what else? Okay, I'm gonna save the big stuff that's wrapped for last. Oh, one of the new Supreme Frost. Wait, no, not the brand new ones. That's not these. Not the Extreme Frost. Oh, yes, love that. That was the sour, I believe. Okay, I'm sorry. A Supreme Frost highlighter. And what's the shade? Caramel Kiss. I do not have Caramel Kiss, so this is exciting. I have Wet Dream. Of course I have Wet Dream. I have a peach one. Oh, I can't get into it right now. Ooh, can you see that? It's like a bronze. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, that swatches beautifully. Of course it does. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay, so Supreme Frost highlighter. Okay, I've got a Velour liquid lip in the shade Skin Tight. Open this up with it. That's what it looks like. Let's swatch it. Oh, this is exciting. That is a really, really pretty. I'm gonna turn my lights down. I feel really bright right now. Hello, phone ringing in the middle of the Jeffree Star video. No, sir. No, we will go to voicemail. Thank you. To voicemail. To the voicemail. Okay. Can you see that swatch? It's a beautiful nude. I hope you can see that. I feel like this video is horrible. I don't know what's wrong with me. It's like nervous excitement making me do crazy things. Okay. I'm still gonna try to turn these lights down some. They still feel really bright. Okay. Oh, that's not too bad. Okay, what is this? Another Velour liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Clout. I don't have this one for sure. Yeah, I don't have this one. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is, those of you out there, I'm sure some of you out there are screaming at me because you know exactly like what collection stuff this is from. It's got glitter. It's the white cap with the glitter all over. And oh yeah, it's a pretty like purpley blue, not blue, purpley gray shade. You see that? I hope so. It makes me think a little bit of Shane. I'm going to leave this on my hand and I'm going to swatch Shane. Shane's definitely grayer, more metallic, but it makes me think of Shane. All right. You've got a Christmas straw. Very cute. And the much beloved stickers. We've got the stickers. I'm very pleased to have the stickers. They're actually very cool stickers. I don't know if you can see those real good. They're there's Blue Blooded's on here, Lipstick Frosty, Beauty Killer. Yeah. Hi. This one says, "Hi, how are you?" Oh, okay. Those are really cute. All right. I think I feel pretty certain based on the shape of this. I know what this is. What's next? And yep, it's the Peppermint Frost palette. Highlight palette. Jeffree Star Cosmetics Peppermint Frost Skin Frost Pro palette. It is 21 grams. No, 7 grams. 21 grams, that would have been a lot. 7 grams of product. It says, beauty tip. This product is versatile and can be used for the face and body. Apply with a brush or your choice and let yourself shine. A little goes a long way. This product can be used wet or dry depending on your desired intensity. All right, let's get into it. We'll try to keep this box relatively intact. Considering, I don't know how many of these boxes they made. These mystery boxes this time, but so this is what it looks like on the inside. I'm gonna sniff before I open. Oh yeah, it definitely smells like peppermint. Oh, those are really, really pretty. Here, you see those? Okay, I'm gonna pull up my sleeve and swatch these here on my arm for you. So we have Ugly Sweater, Igloo Gold, and Chocolate Ice. We'll start with Ugly Sweater. That's very pretty. It's swatching a pink shade. like a pink silvery peach shade. I'm gonna try to get rid of that light, see if that helps. There, I think you can see that better now. The next one is Igloo Gold. Oh wow, that is boom! That's beautiful. And chocolate ice, I'm very interested in this one. Chocolate ice. Oh, yeah. That is a beautiful kind of bronzy gold. Wow, I hope that's coming across. These, yeah, I did just snip my arm. There's a faint remnant of peppermint smell. Those swatched beautifully. And of course, they're smooth as butter. Oh, those are gorgeous. I may put that on my face in just a second. All right, there's one thing wrapped up left in here. I know what I hope it is. I know what I hope it is. I'm a little bit excited. I hope. Ooh, it's Thirsty. It's the Thirsty palette. Okay. I do not have this palette, so that's exciting. So I can get into it. It's Thirsty. The Thirsty palette. It's beautiful. The box is trying to fall off my lap. It is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh, yes. Who's thirsty? Look at that. That is beautiful. Okay, I'm not going to swatch this right now. I think I'm going to do a separate video on this since I don't have it. So I'm not going to swatch that right now. But that's it, y'all. That's what's in the box. Yeah, that was exciting. So, yeah. Oh. I was going to put a highlighter on. Where did I put it? Where did I put the highlighter? Where did I put it? I mean, there. It's like, has someone already broken into my house and stolen the palette right from under my face? Of course not. It's right here. I just was a little too excited. Okay. I think I'm gonna put some Igloo Gold on. I think that will go the best with my face. Alright. Let me get this little brush here. Let me make sure there's no other highlighter on this brush. Okay, I'll pick up a little bit of that Igloo Gold just to try it. Oh, yes. Oh, I expected nothing less. Look at that. Oh, seriously, Mr. Star. Hi, how are ya? Oh, you did that. I'm just gonna keep putting it on my face. You can keep watching. You can turn it, go away. Not like that. You can, stop watching. I'm just gonna keep putting this around my face. I'm sorry. Okay, well, that was fun, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, ring the bell if you enjoyed what you saw. We like to have fun here, and I'll see you next time.